Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Honda Fury with 5,416 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with LED front and rear turn signals, adjustable levers, mirrors, an LED headlight, passenger pad, and passenger foot pegs. The Fury looks like a chopper but offers reliable performance and handling, making it a great option for a rider who likes customs but not custom setbacks. Powered by a 1312cc V twin engine, the Fury puts 57 horsepower and 79 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and a dry weight of 663 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.